So first you will need is a spoon, flavored yogurt, milk, and a cup. Make sure an adult will help you stir the milk. Or you can stir the milk if you want to. Now, pour the yogurt into the cup. Now put the spoon you were using into the cup. Now we're going to put it in the freezer. Keep checking once in a while till the yogurt pop is ready. If it isn't ready, then you can wait a little longer. Clean up while you're waiting for the yogurt pop to freeze. Hard work treat. It's very yummy and very summery. Thank you for watching this video.